We're in session in cause number 329832. The case is style of State of Texas versus Caitlin Renee McDaniel. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Ms. McDaniel, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. McDaniel, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Ms. McDaniel, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. McDaniel?
I'm doing all right.
That's good. Ms. McDaniel, you're here with your attorney, Mr. Nathan Reynolds. Mr. Reynolds, do you waive a record in this case?
It's so waived, Judge.
Ms. McDaniel, I have before me an information that alleges that on or about January 1st of 2021, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, operating a motor vehicle in a public place, that you committed to Class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated. Ms. McDaniel, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Ms. McDaniel, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
Ms. McDaniel, I have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. It is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. On page 2 of this same document, Ms. McDaniel, there are a set of initials at the top. The initials are CM, and it's on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Ms. McDaniel, did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. McDaniel, also on the third page of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Ms. McDaniel, did you sign this document?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. McDaniel, on the next document, which is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Did you sign this document?
Yes, sir.
There are two boxes that's checked at the top of this document. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you are waiving, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. McDaniel, prior to signing and initialing, let me do this here. Ms. McDaniel, did you sign a document out there that is titled to Discovery Certification?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. McDaniel, prior to signing and initialing these documents that I've just mentioned, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Ms. McDaniel. This, State, do we have a, I have before me State's Exhibit Number 1. State, you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any
No
objections?
objections, Judge.
Okay. No objection, State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Now, Mr. Reynolds, you advising counsel, Ms. McDaniel. Is there any evidence that she's currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None to my knowledge, Judge.
Ms. McDaniel, your attorney, Mr. Reynolds has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. McDaniel, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
It's 3 days county jail. The defendant has 1 day credit. This will allow her also to be able to go to Safe P, which she agreed to in her felony case that she pled to the other day.
Okay, now, okay. Now, this is a Class B misdemeanor DWI, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I think the minimum is 72 hours. So I think you would, if the plea bargain is the minimum, you would have to place 72 hours as her as the, because I know 3 days, but it has to be 72 hours. That's how the statute reads.
Okay, Your Honor, that'd be fine. Did you want me to correct that on there? To put the
Yeah, and let me do this. I'm gonna send it, let me, I'm gonna get out of it. I'll just, let me, I don't know if I ought to hit sign.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me do this. I'm gonna just get out of the document and let you get back into it to make, to correct it. Okay, now, Mr. Reynolds, do you understand what I just mentioned to the prosecutor?
Yes, sir. And I believe my client will agree to the 72 hours in
Okay.
lieu of the 3 days, Judge.
Okay, all right. So we'll be in recess